Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable notification for traders and stock alerts. First, open the SoFi app and log in. Next, tap the screen settings, gear icons and go to notifications. Enable trade alerts and stock price alerts by toggling the switches. Make sure iPhone notifications are allowed to. Go to settings and then go to notifications or search for your SoFi app and see if you have allowed notification or not. If you haven't, then toggle the notifications option on. Make sure iPhone privacy tip only enable alerts on your personal device to avoid exposing sensitive information. Quick fix: if notification don't appear, restart the app and on your iPhone. Make sure do not disturb mode is off. Contact Sophie support if the alert still fails, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast Sophie finance